Hi, welcome to Rohit's Kitchen Garden. We all use tomatoes in our cooking, don't we? Tomatoes usually grow on small shrubs, but the indeterminate variety of tomatoes grow very tall. These varieties need support, without which they fall. You don't want your tomatoes to fall down. The support can be in the form of a stand, fence, or trellis, which you could either buy or build. In this video, I will be showing you how to build a trellis for your tomato plant just like the way I have built. So watch the entire video to know how to build it. Now to make the trellis, we are going to require a bunch of tools like a drilling machine, a strong metallic wire, cable ties, a small saw for cutting, PVC pipes, their caps, and pliers. Since I am going to make a trellis with 4 rings to support the branches, I am marking 4 equidistant points on all my pipes and drilling holes carefully through them. The holes will later be used for passing the cable ties through them and tying the wire with the pole firmly. So later we get a firm structure with the help of this. To make the rings or loops, I will use another pot of the same diameter, that is 18 inches, so that I do not damage my actual tomato plant. So, I am making use of a thread-like material and placing it in the grooves of the pot. Then I will take about 2 or 3 extra centimeters of space so that structure has no restriction in later parts of the construction. That is where I will use the scissor, cut it and use the same. Now exactly the same marking which we have taken, we are going to use the same length and cut the wire. Now that's where we are going to cut our wire. So we can take a marker pen or any such thing and then just label the point, and then we can use a saw and we should be able to cut that point. In the first one, you should try using as much strength as you can so that you can get an indent into the wire. Then after that, just go in the same direction and keep using your strength to finally cut the wire. Then just use your pliers, catch hold of the tip of both the ends of the wire and then just bend it to make a loop. Now you might be wondering why are we doing that. That is so that we can complete our loop by hooking each of the wires on top of each other. And make sure to bend it in the right direction, otherwise they won't hook properly. So this is how your final result should look like after you have done all the work, joined the wires and then put it into your pot. So we have taken our
cable ties and then put it through the holes and tied the wire firmly. The more firm you make it, the tighter the structure is in the end. Use cable ties like this. They are very helpful since they don't break that easily. And if there is any length still left, tighten it as much as possible. And if any branches falling down, try keeping them on the wires, because that's what the wires are for. They are for the support. So that's it, friends. This is what is there for today's video.